Hi, my name's Callie. We are going to do a Mohawk Pull Through Braid. Let's get started.
Okay, the first thing for this mohawk is just parting off a rectangle on top of her head. Tilt your head back, sweetheart. So you can see I've just done it from her forehead back to the crown of her head. And then I've just ponytailed off the bottom just to keep it out of the way. So you're gonna wanna have some elastics ready before you start. So the first thing I do is I just part off a little section with my comb from one side to the other at the front of that little part. Okay, after you get this front part sectioned off, I'm just gonna put in my ponytail, and I'm gonna do it pretty close to her face, just because it's a short little area to braid. Okay, then I'm gonna make one more ponytail, just close to the first one. And I'm gonna take out the first ponytail. I'm gonna have her hold that for me. And then just do ponytail number 2. Whenever you do hairstyles with lots of elastics, remember you can always just clip them out really easy with like fingernail clippers or little nail scissors. Okay, with the first ponytail, I'm just gonna split it in half like this. Then I'm gonna take the second ponytail, put it through, and have her hold that for me. Thank you. Put your head up, sweetheart. Okay, and then I'm just going to make an additional ponytail, that out of the way. Just making these small. Okay, and then I'm gonna pick up these 2 sides that I split from my earlier ponytail and just put it all together. Put in another elastic. Okay, and once you get that elastic in, take your front ponytail, split it in half, and flip this one out of the way and have her hold on to that. Thank you. And then just continue down, until you get all the rest of the hair in. Okay, I'm doing my last ponytail on this section. Take this one, and I'm going to split it in half, and I'm going to come underneath, and I'm just going to put an elastic right there. So you hold that one for me. Now I'm going to come up and just pull these wide. So you don't want to put your elastics in too tightly, so you can pull these out a little bit easier. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to do one more wrap around. I'm just going to split that just to make it a little bit longer. Hold that, babe. Thank you. And then I'm going to put the rest of her hair into a cute, messy bun. I love these nice and poofy on little girls. Okay, then I'm just going to come slip out my elastic, and I'm going to start combing all of this up to where I want it. Okay, and then I'm going to take my water bottle, close your eyes, and I'm just going to spray right around the base of the ponytail.
I hate it.
It wakes you up, doesn't it? And I'm just going to comb these smooth. Okay, once you have it where you want it, I'm just going to take my other elastic. I'm going to start wrapping the elastic around her hair. And I'm going to do this until my last pull through, which is right here. And you guys have seen these before in my videos. I'm going to pull it through just a little ways, kind of fan that out. Then I'm going to pick up the rest of the tail. I'm going to put my thumb here and wrap it around, and I'm going to pick up the elastic and I'm just going to stuff it in. tight. And then I'm just going to take a few bobby pins. And that is our cute Mohawk Pull Through Braid.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here and watch these videos. See you next week.